Welcome to a journey that begins in quiet farms and ends on the runways of high-end fashion. Chinchilla fur, renowned for its unmatched softness, density, and elegancy, is one of the most luxurious materials in the world. Today, we explore the complete process behind its transformation into high-end jackets. From farm to fashion, this is a story of care, precision, and artistry. Sourcing the chinchilla's visuals, chinchilla farms, feeding routines, temperature-controlled environments. Chinchillas are raised in specialized farms across South America, Europe, and North America. These animals require clean, quiet, and cool environments to thrive. Their fur is incredibly dense, with over 20,000 hairs per square centimeter, making it both warm and delicate. Farmers focus on nutrition, hygiene, and stress-free handling. Each chinchilla is monitored for health and fur quality. Only the finest pelts are selected for luxury fashion. Harvesting and preparing the pelts. Visuals, pelts being cleaned, trimmed, and sorted. Once harvested, the pelts are carefully cleaned and trimmed. This process removes oils, dirt, and imperfections while preserving the natural texture and color. Pelts are sorted by size, color, and density. Gray is the most common, but rare shades like beige or sapphire are highly prized. Each pelt is tagged and cataloged before moving to the tanning and finishing stage. Tanning and preservation. Visuals, tanning drums, chemical baths, drying racks. Tanning chinchilla pelts is a delicate process. The goal is to preserve softness while making the fur durable and flexible for garment construction. Pelts are soaked in mild chemical solutions, then stretched and dried. This process stabilizes the skin and prevents shedding or deterioration. After tanning, the pelts are brushed and softened to restore their natural luster. Color enhancement and finishing. Visuals, dye-in stations, hand finishing, texture close-ups. Some pelts are dyed to match designer specifications, from deep charcoal to icy silver. Others are left natural, showcasing the unique beauty of chinchilla fur. Finishing includes brushing, polishing, and sometimes trimming to achieve uniformity. Artisans work by hand to ensure every pelt meets luxury standards. Designing the jacket. Visuals, sketches, pattern layouts, pelt arrangement. In the studio, designers begin crafting the jacket. They select pelts based on color, consistency, and texture. Each pelt is placed to create a seamless flow, avoiding visible seams or mismatched tones. Patterns are traced and cut with precision. The layout must balance aesthetics with structural integrity. Stitching and construction. Visuals, sewing machines, hand stitching, lining insertion. Chinchilla fur is fragile and requires expert handling. Artisans stitch pelts together using specialized techniques to prevent damage. Linings, often silk, satin, or cashmere, are added for comfort and structure. Collars, cuffs, and closures are shaped with care. The jacket begins to take form. Quality control and detailing. Visuals, inspection stations, final touches, branding elements. Before leaving the studio, each jacket is inspected for symmetry, stitching quality, and fur consistency. Details like buttons, zippers, and labels are added. Some jackets feature embroidery, metal accents, or custom branding. Only flawless pieces are approved for sale. The final product. Luxury and motion. Visuals, fashion models, boutique displays, close-ups of jackets. The final product is more than a jacket. It's a statement. Chinchilla fur jackets are worn by celebrities, collectors, and fashion connoisseurs. They represent elegance, warmth, and exclusivity. Each piece carries the story of its journey from farm to fashion. Ethics and sustainability. Visuals, certified farms, eco-friendly workshops, alternative materials. The chinchilla fur industry faces scrutiny. Many brands now work with certified farms and ethical suppliers to ensure humane treatment and transparency. Some explore alternatives like faux fur or recycled materials, to meet evolving consumer values. Sustainability is becoming a key part of luxury fashion. Craftsmanship and legacy. Visuals, artisan, interviews, traditional tools, generational workshops behind every jacket is a legacy of skill. Artisans trained for years to master the techniques of fur handling, stitching, and finishing. Their work blends tradition with innovation, creating garments that are both functional and beautiful. Each jacket carries the mark of its maker, a tribute to craftsmanship. Visuals, montage of the full process, logo, call to action from the farm to the high-end jacket. This is the complete journey of chinchilla fur, a process shaped by nature, refined by artisans, and celebrated in fashion. Subscribe for more behind-the-scenes stories from the world of luxury craftsmanship.